Order! Break it up before I put you all in solitary. Go on!
You better watch your back.
You! Keep moving.
Yeah. Stay the hell away from me, okay?
Here you go. Come on, I don't got all day.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. Next.
How about you two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking?
No? I don't hear anyone.
Me neither.
Guys, don't fuck with me when I'm hungry, okay?
Oh, we got a tough guy over here.
Sure looks like it.
All right. So what are you gonna do about it, gringo?
How about this?
Oh, hey, man, all right. Shit, man, relax, okay? Go. Fuck, eat.
Hey, where's the usual cook? He's sick. What happened to him? He eat this crap you're swilling out.
How do you know it's crap? We haven't even tasted it.
That's the thing about crap. You don't have to taste it to know it's
Is that it?
Yeah. What do you think this is?
Whatever,
A
man.
goddamn restaurant?
Hey, you, here I come! Huh? Lay down, it's time to die! Here, take this!
I'll kill you!
Come closer! Let me carve you up!
Come on, scumbag!
Come on! Where you going? Now I got you cornered.
Fuck you, man! I'm gonna cut you!
But
Come
you
on!
can't hide. Come closer! Let me carve you up!
You know what you've never been
Come on!
Come on! Fuck you,
Slice
man!
him up.
I'm gonna cut you!
Now I got you cornered. Alright. Die!
Hey, grab him!
Come here, asshole!
Yeah, come on! Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on! Die! Huh? Come on, first! Come on!
What the fuck did you do? Take this!
Like this!
Damn it!
Shit. I hate those things.
Don't you have worse things to worry about in here?
Just be careful.
You'll be all right. Just lay down and rest for a while.
Yeah, thanks. Hey, I'm Leo.
Vincent,
Listen, thanks.
don't mention it.
I mean it, man.
What's your beef with that guy anyway?
Let's just say it's a long story. But don't worry about him. He's out of the picture now. Could you do me a favor?
Like what?
There's something I need.
What's that exactly?
Nothing, man. It's simple. I just need you to watch my back while I get it, that's all.
Sorry, not interested.
You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it myself.
Wait.
What?
You can't just walk out of here.
Of course I can.
We're gonna both end up in the hole.
Well, I don't have a choice.
All right, I'll help you. Just don't get caught.
Okay. Keep your eyes sharp.
Yeah. Okay, I'll distract the nurse. Just watch out for her.
What can I do for you?
I got a sore throat. Can I have some water, please?
I need
Sure.
to wait for that guard to leave.
Thanks.
All right, back to work.
Here you go.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Of course not. It's my job.
Shit, Vincent needs to do something about that guard.
Oh, for the love of...
So, how did you end up working in a prison?
It's hot. Look what you made me do. Stain is never gonna come out. Gonna need soap. Better head to the bathroom.
Anything else?
I'm really hungry. Could you get me some more food, please?
You were just served.
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.